Good morning, students. So the next we are going to learn about body cavity or coelom. What is meant by this coelom or body cavity? Body cavity is a space between the body wall and alimentary canal, which is produced by the splitting of the mesoderm during embryonic development. So in the beginning, we told there are three layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Based on that, we divided them into diploblast and triploblast. Okay, diploblast, I told there is a ectoderm and endoderm in between mesoglia is present. In triploblast, we can see three layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. So here what is happening? Body cavity is a space between the body wall and the alimentary canal. You know what is meant by alimentary canal? So in our case, from the foot pipe till the anal, that is the alimentary canal. So there is a space between body wall and alimentary canal, which is produced by the splitting of the mesoderm during embryonic development. That is known as body cavity or coelom. But there are three types of coelom. One is acoelomates. Second, pseudocoelomates. Third one it is coelomates. Okay, from that you can I hope you will understand a coelomate. A means absent. Coelom or body cavity absent. I'll teach you a detailed way. A coelomate means coelom or body cavity absent. Pseudo means false. False coelom. Why it is called false coelom? That let us see. Pseudocoelomate, it means false coelom or body cavity. Third one is coelomates. It means they have true coelom or true body cavity. So first group acoelomates, animals which do not have any body cavity, they are known as acoelomates. Just now I told, the space between body wall and alimentary canal is filled with parenchyma. So they don't have body cavity. The space between body wall and alimentary canal is filled with what? Filled with parenchyma. Example, phylum Platyhelminthes. So which phylum is example? Phylum Platyhelminthes. Second one is pseudocoelomates. These animals show a false body cavity. Why it is called false body cavity? Which is lined by patches of mesodermal cells. I will show you the figure later. First you listen this. These animals show a false body cavity which is lined by patches of mesodermal cells. The false cavity is called as pseudocele. Pseudo means I told false. False cavity is called as pseudocele. Example, which example? For phylum Aschelminthes. Which group? Phylum Aschelminthes. The next group it is coelomates. Coelomates means animals having a true body cavity. It is present in triploblastic animals. Whereas it is present in triploblastic animals. Triploblastic means ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm is present. The mesoderm splits into two layers enclosing a body cavity called coelom. Mesoderm splits into two layers enclosing a body cavity called coelom. The cavity is filled with what? The cavity is filled with coelomic fluid. So this body cavity or coelom is filled with a fluid. It is called coelomic fluid. In some animals like cockroach, coelom is filled with blood. Hence, it is called a hemocele. You know, in the case of cockroach, there is open circulatory system. We have closed circulatory system because blood is flowing through the blood vessels. But cockroach, it has an open circulatory system. And also one more point, cockroach blood, it is white in color because of the absence of hemoglobin. So, excuse me, animals like cockroach, coelom is filled with blood. Hence, it is called as what? Hemocele. Yeah, you will understand. If you look at this figure, a coelomate, pseudocoelomate, coelomate comparison. Okay, so first one is a coelomate, example flatworms. Second, pseudocoelomate, roundworms. Third one is coelomates, all mollusca, annelids, arthropods, echinoderms, chordates. All these comes under this group, coelomate group. Here you see ectoderm, then a pink color you can see there is mesoderm, and yellow color that is endoderm, and center you can see digestive cavity. Acoelomate. Okay, here there is no body cavity or there is no coelom. Ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, and digestive cavity. Come to the second figure, pseudocoelomate. I told it's called a false coelom or a false body cavity. Here again, same, you can see blue color, ectoderm, then mesoderm, then yellow color, endoderm. In between, you can see coelom is coming, but it is known as, that's just only you can see the patches of mesoderm. Okay, so they are known as what? Pseudocoelomate. Clear? So ectoderm, mesoderm, yellow endoderm, then here center the digestive cavity. Here this is coelom or body cavity, but I told it's not. You can see some patches of mesoderm, so they are known as pseudocoelomate. Come to here, this is a true coelom. Coelomate means true body cavity or true coelom. Here again you see ectoderm. Then second you see mesoderm. This also pink color or pink color. This is mesoderm. This is also mesoderm. Inside a light yellowish color you can see that is endoderm. Then here center digestive cavity. Then this is the true body cavity or true coelom. And this one canal like thing, this is known as mesentery. This is known as mesentery. So I'll repeat once more: ectoderm, mesoderm, this also mesoderm, again yellow color, that is endoderm. Then here this is a coelom, you can see here coelom or body cavity, center, that is a digestive cavity. Then this bridge like thing, that is called mesentery. Okay, so these are the three difference between acoelomate, pseudocoelomate and coelomate. Acoelomate, the coelom or body cavity is absent. Pseudocoelomate, you can see the coelom or body cavity, but it is known as false coelom. Then here you can see the true coelom or true body cavity. Okay, the next one is body segmentation. What is meant by body segmentation? It is also called as metamerism or true segmentation. So true segmentation, another name it is metamerism. It is a series of segments arranged along the body of an animal. You can see one example, earthworm, have you seen? You can see there is a segments. Yeah, this is known as segmentation or metamerism. It's a series of segments arranged along the body of the animal. When the external segmentation matches with the internal segmentation, such animals are called as metamerically segmented animals. Example, earthworm. What it is, metamerically segmented animals? When the external segmentation matches with the internal segmentation, such animals are called as metamerically segmented animals. Which is example? Example is earthworm. I'll show you the figure. Yeah, look at this. You can see here, these are the segmentation. Okay, I hope all of you would have observed all these things. If you have seen an earthworm, you can see the external segmentations, and these are the inside internal segmentation. So both, if it is matching, they are known as metamerically segmented animals. Clear? External segmentation matches with the internal segmentation, they are known as metamerically segmented animals. Which is example, earthworm. So external and internal segmentation. The next one is body support. Which part of the body it gives support for a special, everyone knows skeletal system or skeleton. Clear? So the internal or external framework which provides support to the body is called as skeleton or skeletal system. The internal or skeleton means nothing but it's a group of bone. A group of bone joined together forms skeleton or skeletal system. So our body is getting shape, we get support because of this skeletal system or skeleton. Suppose you think there is no skeleton, we'll be rolling down just like a jelly, like we'll be rolling down. So this internal and external framework which provides support to the body is called as skeleton. It is two types, exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Exoskeleton means which is present outside. Endoskeleton means it is present inside. Lower animals have only exoskeleton for protection. Example, cockroach. Cockroach, inside the body there is no skeleton, it's present outside. So it is known as exoskeleton. Clear? So lower animals have only exoskeleton for protection. Example, cockroach. You come to the higher level. Higher developed animals have both exoskeleton and endoskeleton for their protection. Example, fish, cobra, parrot, man. We also have a skeleton, but it is inside, so that is known as endoskeleton. Clear? So higher level animals, they have both exoskeleton and endoskeleton for their protection. Fish, example, same like cobra, then parrot, then man. These are the example for this group. So next we'll be learning, the next class we'll be learning animal classification. We'll be learning about different types of phylum in a detailed way. Thank you, students.